Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x power 21 plus x power 14 is equals to 36 and where x belongs to real number. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first, according to exponent rule, x power n, we can write it as x power mn. So we can break x power 21 as x power 7 power 3. Similarly, x power 14 as x power 7 power 2 is equals to 36. Now let me make a substitution. Put x power 7 is equals to a. So a cube plus a square minus 36 is equals to 0. Now it's becoming cubic equation. So we can write the middle term as minus 3a square plus 4a square minus 36 is equals to 0. So now I can take a square as common from first two terms. So what is left? A minus 3. Now if I'll take 4 as common, so a square minus 9 is equals to 0. So a square, a minus 3 plus 4. Here we can use a very famous identity. A square minus 9. We can write this as a square minus 3 square. So we can use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So we can write this as a minus 3 or a plus 3 is equals to 0. Now a minus 3 is common. So a square plus 4 times a plus 3 is equals to 0. Now a minus 3 and another bracket is a square plus 4a plus 12 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots. Either a minus 3 is equals to 0 or a square plus 4a plus 12 is equals to 0. From this, the value of a is 3. And from here, we can use the formula b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is 4, and c is 12. So 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 12, that is 16 minus 48 minus 30. So when the discriminant is negative, there is no real solution. And as you know that our x belongs to a real number, so we reject this case. So we'll take a is equals to 3. So when a is equals to 3, we know that we make a substitution. A is equals to x power 7. So x power 7 is equals to 3. Now square root of 7, both sides. With the help of this power 7, this square root of 7 is removed. So x is equals to 7th root 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and be subscribed to our channel. Stay tuned.